They say you need years of practice to weld. That's a lie. With the FORZA solder, even someone who's never picked up a torch can weld in minutes. Don't believe me? Stick around, because we're going to show you that anyone can do it. Yes, even you. The FORZA solder isn't just another welding machine. It's a revolution. It's the Swiss Army knife of metalworking. It welds, cuts, cleans, and polishes. Just like the tortilla is the foundation of tacos, this machine is the foundation of any workshop. But what sets it apart isn't just its power, it's how easy it is to use. Anyone can learn. From an expert to someone who's never picked up welding equipment in their life. And we're going to put it to the test. Stick around so I can tell you what makes it so special. The FORZA solder has cooling thanks to the chiller. What does that mean? It means there are no downtime cycles. It can work 24 hours straight without a problem. It stays at a constant temperature no matter how much you use it. Plus, changing the lenses is easier than finding good tacos at 3 in the afternoon. And with its different nozzles, you can do various types of welding without any effort. But enough with the theory. Let's see if anyone really can weld with the FORZA solder. We're going to put this machine to the test with different people, from those who work at FORZA to people we find on the street. Let's see what happens.
Personally, I've never welded before. I don't know, Ruth, have you ever welded?
Never, first time.
Really?
A lump has opened. Very good.
Done.
Done.
So it's all about practice, but it's definitely possible.
I see that it's very simple, that it's just a matter of practice and a steady hand. And also, if at first your weld bead, like in my case, doesn't come out as clean as you expected, you can use another feature. So I really liked it a lot.
You still don't believe it? Well, let's bring in someone with more experience to see what they think.
Let's begin by taking a closer look at the T-joint.
But what about someone who has never in their life touched a welding machine? Well, let's find out.
The challenge was accepted. So actually, Angie, could you explain to us just how easy it is, very quickly, very briefly, how easy it is to weld, and that you really don't need much experience? Daniel and Antonio also accepted the challenge to learn how to weld in a short amount of time.
Hey guys.
So honestly, what did you think? How do you see it? Does it look as easy as it was shown to you?
Very interesting, it is.
Yeah.
Honestly, it's something very easy to use and, well, it's not really that complicated. You learn quickly. Personally, I also found it easy to start using device A, the equipment, and I think it's practical when it comes to welding.
The results. And for it being my first try, and with Christian's good explanation here, our colleague, it actually turned out better than we expected.
If even someone who has never welded before can do it, just imagine what you could achieve with FORZA solder in your workshop. We've tested it with experts, with salespeople, with people who have no experience, and even with people who had never touched a torch in their lives. The result? Everyone welded without any problems. The FORZA solder isn't just a welding machine. It's a revolution that makes the job easier for anyone. You no longer need years of experience, just a desire to work. FORZA solder, the machine anyone can use.